In this step, we'll add the top head to Pico and complete the build. So again, what you want to do is you want to line up these two holes on the top head with the two screws, and also the camera opening in the front with the camera. Make sure the camera is sitting in its groove. Take the top head, line up the two screws, line up the camera, and slide it down. If you're having difficulty sliding it down, simply open up these two holes a little bit more. And there you have it. Your build is complete. As a final step, you can use these hex nuts and screw it down just to hold this head in place. One on the right and one on the left. And that's it. Your build is complete. So congratulations.